Hello, you are highly welcome to this channel. I'm here with this video to show you how to create gallery wall. You can see these two beautiful pictures. Let's see how to get pictures. So, as you can see, what I clicked is Pinterest app. I downloaded the app from Play Store. So this app will give a lot of beautiful pictures to use. Okay, so you can see how I'm searching the pictures. I'm just showing you how to search pictures. Normally, this picture I'm searching for, I've seen it in the house of a comedian. Okay, so I love the picture, I love the frame, so told myself that I must make the frame. So I go to my Pinterest app and search for the picture. If you back forward it, you will see what I typed. How to get picture you are looking for, just by explaining the nature of the picture. Pinterest app will try to give you ideas of it, then you use your hand to select the one you want. Okay, I just type picture of a cat putting on clothing, or picture of a cat putting clothing, all these things. Then it's showing me a lot of them. So but because I have searched it and saved the picture, I can't find it. I'm just showing you how to search for it. Okay, so since I can't find it, let me go to my profile. This is my profile and this is the picture. I've saved it and I've downloaded it. I'm just showing you how to download it. Okay, you can see the picture. It's meaning the second one. I thought I saved it, but it's not here. So let me look for it. Let me know if I can see it. Okay, okay, now I can see it. So now go back to home and refresh it, and this is the picture. Okay, I've seen the picture. This is the picture. So I saved it and download it. You can see how to download the pictures. This is the picture, and this is the second one. So as usual, I went to photography print shop and sent it to the editor. They helped me put my logo and noise the picture, nothing else, then send it to printer. Okay, here I will be making use of flexed banner because it's not one picture. I'm just trying to show you how to get picture on your own. Okay, this is flexed banner paper. It's putting it inside the printer because the picture has been sent to the printer. Okay, just stay tuned before in the moves. At this point, you already used to it if you have been watching my videos, my previous videos. Okay, just stay tuned. Picture. This is the picture. It has finished coming out. It's meant the second one. This is the second one. Okay, then take a close look at this printed picture. You can see how fresh banner it is. You can see the marks, and you can see how flexible it is. It's rubber in nature, and there must be mark on it. Okay, so that's it. Then after getting pictures ready, is remaining board, MDF board to use. So here I'll be making use of pieces of MDF board. Okay, what we are doing here is to remove the rough edges and resize, nothing else. Just stay tuned, following our moves. So we're trying to take the measurements and to know where else to cut. The size we are making use of is 16 by 20 inches. Okay, so pieces the last piece of the board is what he will cut, and this is the board. You can see they are cutting it. First one is ready, it's meant the second one. Okay, then as you can see, the two are now ready. It's remaining to join them. It's time to join the pieces of MDF board. This thing is serving as an is adhesive. You apply it on the edge of the board, place it to the second one, you apply it on the last pieces, then use staple to join them together. Can you see what he's doing? First one is ready, mean the second one. Okay, just apply adhesive on the edges, then use staple to hold the two. He's trying to make the join board equal. Okay, just before he moves movements. Then after you apply gum, for you to use H tape to cover the pin. Okay, then after placing the H tape, you apply pressure on it for them to be well attached, well wrapped. Then make your work neat. Okay, it's now good to start framing. You first apply gum, then resize the printed picture. You can see how flexible this banner is, and scissors is not good on it. That's why three people is holding the picture for it to be fast. You can use razor, it's always good with razor, but scissors it wastes time. Okay, from here I believe you're already used to it. If you have not been watching my videos, if this is your first video, please, I urge you to watch other videos. It's very important for you to learn faster. But first, finish watching this video. There is a very important message I want to pass across. Okay, you will see reason why I don't give advice to make use of fresh banner. You will never hear it from me to make use of fresh banner, especially on woman pictures. You can try it with image pictures, okay, but please don't think of using it on woman pictures. It's not good. Okay, just stay tuned. You will see the reason.
So we can now see the reason why I don't give advice of using fresh banner on framing, especially on one pictures. You can see the bumps. It's not good at all. Fresh banner easily gets rumples, but if it's on salve is just in paper nature. But fresh banner is freezable in nature and also rubber in nature.